Hello children, how are you? Today we will do the lesson 2 of chapter motion. We have already done the types of motion. We will carry forward with uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? An object is said to have uniform motion if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time along a straight line. It does not matter how small the time intervals are. For example, if a car covers a distance of 50 km in 1 hour, 50 km in second hour and again 50 km in the third hour, then we can say it is a uniform motion. But what is a non-uniform motion? When when the same car covers unequal distances in different time periods. Suppose in the first 1 hour it covers 60 km, in the second hour it covers 40 km, in the third hour it covers 50 km. So this is non-uniform motion. Now what is distance and displacement? There is a basic difference between distance and displacement. We know that a body is in motion if its position changes with time. Now the change in the position of a body can be described by its displacement. Suppose a person travels from A and B, A to B and then to C. Now the distance from A to B is 5 km and from B to C is 7 km. So the person has traveled a distance of A to B 5 km and B to C 7 km, that is total distance of 12 km. Now what is the distance traveled? 12 km and the displacement is also 12 km. But suppose the person has traveled from A to B 5 km and he returned back from B to A another 5 km. So distance traveled is 10 km but displacement is 0. Why? Because he has started from A and he is back at A, so there is no displacement as there is no change in position with the initial position and the final position is same. So we will do sums on displacement and distance traveled. Another very important factor over here is scalar quantity and vector quantities. A physical quantity that can be described only by its magnitude, that is numerical value, is called a scalar quantity. So distance is an example of a scalar quantity because only the magnitude, that is the total length covered by a body, is required to describe it. Time, temperature, mass, speed, density, area, volume are all scalar quantities. So what is a vector quantity? A physical quantity that needs both magnitude and direction are described as vector quantities like velocity, acceleration, force and weight. Now comes speed. Now the distance traveled by an object in unit time is called the speed of the object. So speed equals to distance divided by time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. It can also be written as kilometer per hour. Now speed can be also classified as uniform speed, non-uniform speed, or we can also find out average speed. What is uniform speed? If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be uniform speed. Suppose a car covers 2.5 meter every second, it is said to have covered or have a uniform speed of 2.5 meter per second. Non-uniform speed is also known as variable speed. If an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to have non-uniform speed. Suppose in the first second it has covered 5 meter, in the second it has covered 3 meter. And what is the average speed? It is the ratio of the total distance traveled to the total time taken. We will also do the sums of speed and distance. Now comes velocity. The distance traveled by an object in unit time and in a given direction is called its velocity. And what is the mathematical formula of velocity? Displacement by time. So velocity is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is same as that of speed, that is meter per second. Velocity can also be uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time in a given direction, it is said to be a uniform velocity. While if an object is said to have non-uniform velocity or a variable velocity, that means it is covering unequal distance in equal interval of time, or equal distance in the different intervals of time. Or it can be unequal distance in equal interval of time and also in direction keeps on changing. What is the difference between speed and velocity? This is a very important question. Firstly, speed the speed of a body is the distance traveled in per unit time, and the velocity of body is the distance traveled by it in the per unit of time at a given or in a given direction. The second difference is speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. And the third difference is speed tells us how fast an object moves, and velocity tells us how fast and in which direction the object is moving. Thank you.